Hello, my name is Guido Vanderheyden, but Guido is fine, yes. And I have been so lucky and privileged to be part of the native conference, although it has changed, it's the Aboriginal conference, right? So I'm privileged to say that I've been working with some very nice people, very dedicated people. And in the last 20 years that I've been with the conference, I've met a lot of beautiful people, reserved, but all very enthusiastic once you get them going. And that was the whole idea of my workshops, to get people involved and relax and join their energies and learn something. And so I sort of geared the workshops I made to have a learning experience at the same time as having fun. And the whole idea was to learn to prevent getting diabetes. It's the only really treatment that works, is preventing it. And that's been my focus, to hammer it in basically, to keep taking care of yourself. Don't give up. It's a marathon. It's not a race. We're in here for the long run. And if you have diabetes or you're pre-diabetic, you really have to focus on getting your health back, because the disease is really devastating. So it was always fun to work with people, fun to see them in the pool, a little bit uncomfortable at first, but then once they get going with the exercises, they get more and more enthusiastic. And actually, this year I saw the most people in the pool. I had to almost back up to the deep end where I barely could stand. So that was good to see that people get into it and get involved. And over the years, I've seen several people come back to refresh, because they probably needed another booster to get a few more ideas. And so I always had fun at the same time. And my focus has been to keep it fun. And the comments that I have been getting today were, yes, oh yes, good, we had fun. Oh, we're tired, but it was fun, and it was a good learning experience. So I think the team that organized the conference over the years needs really kudos and 5 gold stars, because they have been doing a wonderful job of organizing it. And I think from what I have seen over the years, it's been a struggle and to keep the conference going, to make it look as good as it does, in spite of all the challenges. And I've heard there were many challenges. But every year it seems to work. The team seems to get it together, and it's a year-long process. From what I can see, preparing the conference takes a long time and a lot of involvement. There are so many different angles to it and so many challenges that I am surprised it goes off so well every year. So again, kudos and congratulations to the team. And so 20 years is really an achievement to the, what should I say, the tenacity of the team to keep it going in spite of the challenges. And we've had 3 years of no conference because of COVID. But I think this year we're starting a new cycle of another 20 years. And I hope we can all be still part of that. So thank you very much for inviting me every year to come back. And I hope over the years that I've made it fun, that I've made a little bit of an impact and made people think about their health, physical, spiritual, emotional, all the aspects of health. I hope to have somehow touched. So thanks again and congratulations.